Lucien is going to make gratin de figues au cointreau.
Oh, bien.
Now the ingredients he has right here is for one person, but for 4 people you would use 2 egg yolks. Oh no, you're using 2 egg yolks for one person. For 4 people you use egg yolks. Oh Lord! And so you're separating the yolks from the whites.
Yolks, you say?
Yes, yolks.
Yellow.
The yellow
it's
part.
Not good?
Yes.
No?
Lucien is whisking the egg yolks together with a little bit of sugar. And he's put this over a pot of hot water.
Yes.
And you're starting to make the sabayon sauce. How long do you do that?
We must see. Maybe 3 minutes.
Yeah, close. Yes.
Beep.
And now he's putting about a tablespoon of butter into a very hot frying pan. Careful not to burn the butter, and he's putting the figs inside the pan. And as you can see, the figs have been cut on the bottom so that when he places them the right side up, they stand up and they don't fall. And now he's basting the figs with the butter. And he's taking them off of the flame so that it doesn't burn. You don't want the butter to be burned. Pascal is still making our sabayon sauce.
T'as mis le contrôle là-dedans? T'as mis un peu de contrôle.
Lucien is now taking the figs out of the pan and he's putting them on a paper towel or a napkin. And he's doing this again to get the butter off the figs. Drain them a little so they're not very greasy. And our sabayon sauce is finished?
Yeah, not finished.
Not finished.
Allez, c'est bon toi?
Ouais, je vais rappeler les branches.
Pascal is now grating some of the orange rind into the sabayon sauce. He's grating it very fine, so they're just teeny little shreds in there. The cointreau.
Le contrôle, oui.
Yes.
Attention qu'on ne voit pas le truc. Hein.
Voilà.
He's putting about a teaspoon in there,
Voilà.
A little bit of water.
and a little bit of water.
Voilà.
C'est bon, hein? Voilà. C'était
Une cuillère.
C'est bon.
Well, I absolutely must taste this.
Hein?
I put it under the broiler for how long, Lucien? Just to brown the top?
Just 1 minute, no more. 30 seconds. Keep rolling.
Keep rolling.
Voilà.
Now he's putting some mint sprigs on top as a very pretty garnish.
Voilà.
Lucien, when did you open the Quatre Saisons restaurant in Lyon?
In 1980.
Ah. And before that, you worked with...
I'm working with Paul Bocuse in Collonges d'Or. 15 years
15 years.
with him.
A long time.
Yeah.